morning, Gooners. Today we're going to the LA Regional. I'm running a tad late, so it's gonna be a little unfortunate. Sadly, also Rippy could not come with us, so my little brother will be joining. I'm super excited to see like everything going on, and hopefully one of our Vegas guys plays top 3. That'd be really sick. That'd be really cool. So I'm excited. Get excited. All right, so after 3 to 4 hours of traffic driving in LA sucks.
It was crazy as fuck.
Yeah, so my brother and I finally made it. We're running late. It is about, it's like 11:10 right now. So we probably missed the first 2 tournaments. Hopefully we run into some Vegas guys. Don't know where the fucking convention center is, so we're trying to find it. But I'm super excited. Stay excited, get excited. You ready? Ready to go to your first Union Championship event? So look at this, this is pretty cool. Pretty sick. Now we gotta find the Las Vegas crew. We'll see them. They said they're in a corner somewhere. We just gotta look really hard. I don't know.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. Hey, wait, let's look at the product. We found the LV gang, guys. What's up, dude? What'd you place?
I placed.
He lost every single one, isn't that right?
Yep.
What's up, TLTC? What's up, guys? How's it going? What's up, dude?
Hey, brother, how you doing?
Hi, old man. We got AJ. We got Corey.
What's up? Oh my god.
Undefeated.
Bro, fuck.
We got Danny.
Yo.
And we got right now. Undefeated. Let's go. Hey. All right, guys. So my brother and I just entered a side event for the UA tournament. We got a cool freaking action point card that's really sick. And we got a cool storage box. So kind of cool. Kind of cool just for participating. So I'm really excited. Hopefully I place top 10. I don't know. I don't know how good my decks are, but
I'm gonna get number 1.
What deck are you gonna play?
I'm either gonna play my full metal I brought, or I'm gonna look through your stuff and probably play maybe your Sukuna if I can.
Okay. You wanna play a game while we're waiting?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look at that. Look at this whole event, dude. So many people here. Wow. Very cool, very cool. All right, so we ran with the other member of the Grave Shift, and super excited we met up. And so, Brian, give us a little recap on what's going on. How you feeling about the tournament? What's your score right now?
I'm feeling great. My score is 1-1. I was feeling much better round 1, but I'm still great.
What are you running today?
I'm running Megami, you know.
He is running Megami. So how do you feel that Megami's doing against everyone?
Old Faithful. Megami's doing great, except I got a bad matchup last round. I got paired against Toto. And Toto swapped me around and then clapped my damage 2 cheeks around.
So based off of like everyone here, how do you feel your knowledge, expertise, and like card knowledge and everything's going? How do you like? What would you compare yourself? You say upper echelon, you're doing good. You think everyone's about the same average as far as like deck knowledge and all that stuff? And
so far, I've noticed people be pretty knowledgeable about the decks they're playing with.
Offensive, defensive.
They're knowledgeable about the decks they're playing with and against. So far, so good.
Pretty good.
Everyone's pretty seasoned, bro. We got some seasoned gamers.
That's really good. That's really good. All right. Good luck on your next one. And
get anything good out of this today. I kind of went a little bit over.
Don't open it.
Oh yeah.
Jesus, my brother just bought a bunch of boosters for.
These are the boosters.
Thanks, dude.
I kind of lost my mind that I have nothing else to buy.
So we just got it done with our first match. My brother played my big Aaron deck. What do you think about it?
That shit was scary, dog. But
he doesn't like bringing his life down.
It's pretty awesome.
But it's really cool because Aaron gets to swing twice.
I got down to 2 life, and then I just I touched butts really hard. And
you played against a blue Levi, right?
Yeah.
Very scary.
He hit me from the back, bro.
I played blue Bleach against purple Roroni. Dude, it was 1-1. It was 1-1. I lost, sadly. He got 2 raids out of life for Nullify Impact. So very sad, but we almost got it. We almost got it. All right, guys, so we're back with Brian. I entered in a side event. I've lost the first one, won the next 2. How are you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great. I think I'm 4-2. I'm not sure. I'm either 3-2 or 4-2, but I'm 2 for sure. 2 losses.
Hell yeah. All right, we're at the regional. Just finished. I placed 12th, I think. AJ placed 3rd in the side regional.
I placed 22nd.
22nd out of 32. That's not too bad, bro.
I was at first at one point.
Anyways, congratulations, AJ. And thanks for watching.